Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back and today I am in Munich. It's actually going to be my second day of shooting. It's my first time here and you have to quickly do your scouting. And in the end, if you're using the internet, you're going to be in some of the more touristy spots, but also the historical spots. So you know it's going to be like good stuff in the back, but it's also going to be loud if you can hear. We got a truck out here and this is an entire like tourist restaurant zone. But we got a wonderful model, so I have no doubt we're going to get some good stuff. Today I'm actually working with the beautiful Dr. Veronica, right?
Yeah.
That's going to be amazing. We're going to hear all about that. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I go around shooting with working models in LA, but I also travel around a lot. So today I'm in beautiful Munich, Germany. You know how you're only supposed to show your best shots? We don't do just that here. We show a little bit more so everyone can learn together. And we're also going to interview with the models to kind of hear from their perspective, especially for the new photographers and new models watching this. You're going to get a couple of hints of the story. All these tall buildings is making the light a little bit more flat. And the real challenge is that we're kind of in a really high traffic area. Veronica is, I'm guessing you're an influencer and she's got some stuff she needs to model for her Instagram and to promote. Are you guys ready? All right, we're ready. We're going to do this. Right. I usually try to schedule my shoots about 2 hours before sunset, so I can get good angled sunlight that's safe, and then golden hour at the end, which looks great, but can be risky if you pick a bad location, because after the sun is down, it's down. Yeah. Go ahead and turn a little bit towards, give your a back towards, and then turn back towards me. Great. Oh yeah, nice. Let me get a wide one. Go ahead and I love that smile. If you can smile a little bit. I have Veronica positioned to be backlit here. It's one of my favorite lighting schemes. I like how it often makes the model look like they're just exploding out of something, or like it's full of life is the way I would put it. Now, along with a sunny backlit look, I prefer a little bit of warmth across the entire image.
Alright, so I speak Russian, я говорю по-русски. Я интеллигентна Romina. I speak Romanian, אני מדברת עברית. That was Hebrew. Ich kann natürlich auch Deutsch. That was German. And did I forget something? Oh yeah, English as well, yeah. So I'm switching off lenses because what we need are close-ups, earrings, and her glasses. So this lens goes up to about 56 millimeters. It's okay, but I want to go ahead and go in deep and flat with the long lens. So that's why I'm switching off, and let's see what we get. Oh wow, great. I love, go ahead and bring your head towards the sky again, sort of like you were feeling the sun. Great, and then with just a peek, go ahead and just peel it off, just, oh wow, that smile. So while I was fumbling with my camera here, Veronica was coming up with a shot for her own needs, and it looked great. Wow, I love it. I'm gonna crop in deep, okay? Do we need, for this, it's you want this over, right? Okay, and what about, That's why, if you can step back a little bit. Cool, all right, gonna work it. Love it. Awesome. A little tip, never be afraid to ask for a shot a second time. Rarely will you get a twirling shot on the first try. Nice, and just rotate a little bit, stop right there, perfect. So the focus here was a little more on her sunglasses and her bag. I wanted to give her what she needed for her Instagram, but also I don't really feel that I'm that strong at product photography, like photography that showcases a product. So I wanted to take this as an opportunity to push myself. I think it came out alright.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget.
So I graduated about 1 year ago, and after graduating I was doing my doctorate thesis.
and working as a model as well, and I will start to work as a physician. I'm excited about that, and I hope that the hospital will give me this opportunity to work as a model and a physician at the same time, because many of the hospitals are not so much okay with that. So that would be awesome if I can combine that also in my future.
What the heck? So the camera does not lock on my face, but as soon as she comes in, the camera's autofocus.
Good job, the camera knows what.
Alright, so that was a really great shoot in this spot. Like, we're kind of a little rushing it. It's really busy out here, it's a little loud. What I love was that sun's peeking over the building and hitting her like Veronica's gorgeous hair. It's just blowing up. You can see that in the photos. It's just gorgeous. We got some of the product shots, and I think they turned out great. We want to make sure that she gets what she needs. And then after that, we're gonna, you know, have some fun with it and get some extra stuff.
Here, Veronica just did a quick wardrobe change, and while we're inside this courtyard, I thought it would be interesting to try some shots because it looked a little bit more big city than the last location. Overall, I don't really think it was the best place, but Veronica pulls it off anyways. And we were only here for a few minutes, so you know, it was okay. We didn't lose any urgent time. So for beginner photographers, you should know that when you're shooting in the shade, which all this entire courtyard is, it tends to make the photos look cool or blue. Luckily, it's pretty easy to shift the temperature to a warm tone in post-processing, but you kind of want to keep your eye on that.
Got it. Awesome. Wow.
So for my post-processing, I do it all in Adobe Lightroom. I very rarely use Photoshop anymore, and I don't do that much beyond basic color correction, exposure, and a little contrast. I don't even crop that much anymore because I got used to doing it in camera with the lens, which is just more enjoyable anyways.
So to summarize this experience today, I just want to say I had a great time, for real. Can also say to you, dear models or photographers, just be friendly and try to be open-minded and work with people.
We're both vlogging at the same time apparently. She was doing her thing. We just switched location. This is going to be the toughest one. It's going to be direct light right in front of her. We'll get some backlit shots for safety. Right now, this is going to be one of our last locations. We're out in the middle of the very open space. A lot of people all around, lots of noise, but hey, Veronica is pretty confident. I know. Everyone's looking at her, but she knows it's like, heck yeah, everyone's looking at her.
Now, this is a golden hour sunset, but it's directly in her face. Most of the time, I don't like this kind of lighting, but with the right model, you can still pull it off. And Veronica is definitely one of those models where I feel like just about any kind of light works well with her.
I'm gonna find my way tonight, way tonight.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire, we try to hold on. We build this ship together.
Got it. Awesome. I think we were gonna call this a wrap. That was wonderful.
We're still on board, dancing in the moonlight. The world just stopped and stares. We got no destination. I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never told. So far shaking for my own. You said just.
All right, what's up guys? So we're wrapping on this shoot. It was just wonderful. Veronica was amazing.
But it was a lot of fun. It was an unusual experience for me as well. And I think that we made some amazing shots.
I think so too. And for you beginner photographers, if your mind is racing a mile a minute, that's why you have an assistant. It really takes a load off. And you have also an amazing model who knows what's going on. So you can trust them to like also carry the shoot with you. Veronica, thank you so much. That was wonderful.
Thank you.
If you like this kind of content, make sure you watch some of the other videos, see if this kind of stuff you like. And you did have subscribed. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. And then hey, we'll see you guys next time. Stay safe shooting out there. Bye.
Hit the subscribe button and thumbs up.
She knows what's going on.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting